Introducing the all-new 2023 Honda ADV Kitaco Special Edition. Go out and discover new paths to stand out above anyone else. SUV bike style that H2C collaborates with the Kitaco Racing Soul brand. The arrival of the scooter is an evolution from its predecessor and upholds its identity as the finest road cruising scooter that appears visually tougher along with advanced features. It will be the answer for active daily riders who enjoy adventures across various road conditions. The ride is now equipped with a new generation 157 cubic centimeters, 4-valve, liquid-cooled ESP Plus engine, offering advanced technology with 4-valve mechanism. It delivers a maximum power of 11.8 kilowatts at 8,500 RPM and a top torque of 14.7 Newton-meters at 6,500 RPM. The all-new ADV 160 also comes packed with exciting features from riding safety to everyday convenience. One is the new Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC. This prevents the slipping of the rear tires, especially on wet and slippery roads. Also, for long-distance riders, the new USB charging port is a convenient addition to this latest model. In terms of control, the twin rear suspension is equipped with Showa subtank to maximize stable damping. The wide tubeless tires are another feature worth mentioning as it provides riders with a comfortable ride and better handling. Meanwhile, integrated into the all-new ADV 160 is an anti-theft alarm and answerback system via the Honda Smart Key system. There's also the idling stop system that reduces fuel consumption and increases efficiency, wherein the engine automatically switches off after the vehicle comes to a stop for 3 seconds. Easily noticeable in the new model is a new higher windscreen, adjustable to 2 levels to provide wind resistance in any situation. The seat height is now also made lower from 795 mm to 780 mm to ensure easy ground reach and better footing. Other design features of the all-new ADV 160 include a new full digital LCD meter panel with a sophisticated display and a new large luggage box that has been increased from 28 liters to 30 liters capacity. Lastly, the tank capacity has been increased from 8.0 liters to 8.1 liters to provide a longer cruising range on every ride. 2023 Honda ADV 160 Special Edition is offered with a starting price of $2,990 or about 164,900 in Philippine peso. Are you planning to buy this motorcycle unit? Let me know in the comment box below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, you can leave a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.